Good afternoon. Okay, I'm trying with my new stand, my new whatever that's holding my phone, so I hope it works good on this video so I'm not going to be shaking like I have in the past. Okay, first thing we're going to do, this is basically a 5th grade math skill, reading and writing words, and today I'm going to focus on writing in words in expanded form when you're given the standard form for a number. Okay, first off, let's learn place value. The period on the right is the ones period. The one to the left is the thousands. So when you read this, you're going to just read. Now, I'm going to show you a simple way to do this. Read to the comma. You would read 40 as 40. And then you're at a comma, name that period, 40,000. And when you have something else to follow, place your comma there. And then you read the last 3 numbers as 695. 695. Okay, since it does not have a comma, you will not be naming the period. Makes it real simple. Read to a comma, just like I did. 40, you're at a comma, name the period, 1,000, and then 695. When writing in expanded form, you write every number and its value except for 0. Books do not show to include 0. The 4 is in the 10,000s place, so it's 4 times 10,000. And some will put parentheses around that, and some do not. And then go to the next number. The 6 is in the hundreds. 6 times 100. The 9 is in the tens. Oops, made a little mistake there. Sorry about that. I get busy talking and forget. Okay, so the 9 is in the tens place. So 9 times 10, the 5 is in the ones place. Okay, and sometimes you'll actually see expanded form, and I'm going to just do this one because that's why I messed up on it. Like 40,000 plus 600 plus 90 plus 5. Usually you see it this way, and sometimes you'll see it with parentheses. So you got to look to see what your book shows if you're in school. Okay, this next one, do the same thing. This is the ones period. To the left is the thousands. And then to the left of thousands is the millions. Notice every period to the right of the first one must have 3 numbers. The one on the left can have 1, 2, or 3 numbers. But every period to the right must have 3 numbers. Okay, we'll read 7. That's all you do is read to the comma. Don't make it hard. 7. It's in the millions period, and we're at a comma, so name the period. 7 million. Read to the comma. 93. It's in the thousands. 93,000. Comma, because more numbers follow. 400. Do not include the word and. You'll use the word and when you get to a decimal number, but you do not ever read and when you're reading whole numbers. Okay, expanded form, and I'm going to do the one where it tells the number we're looking at and its value. The 7 is in the millions, so it's 7 times 1 million. Now, if you have trouble doing this, count how many numbers. There's the 7. There's how many zeros to the right. How many digits to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you're going to put a 1 and then 6 zeros. Make it real simple, okay? And then we're at 90,000. Now, that was a 0, so we skip it. 9 is in the 10,000s. And again, all you have to do, you're looking at the 9. How many places are to the right? 4, so you'll have 4 zeros. And then 3 is in the thousands. And the 4 is in the hundreds. 4 times 100. Very simple. Learn to count some zeros. It makes it easy. And even if you don't need to count the zeros, you can always check it by doing that. Okay, 5th grade goes up to billions. So let's go through ones, thousands, millions, and billions. Again, make it simple. Just read to the comma. That's the easiest way in the world to do these problems. So look at that. 128. 128, we're at a comma. Name the period. It's in the billions. 128 billion. There are no millions, skip it. Read this, 620,000. when you get to the comma, make sure you name the period and place the comma after that period name. 90. Again, no ands. Okay, to write expanded form, that's a 1 in the 100 billion, so it's 1 times 100 billion. Again, look, count your numbers to the right of that 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we're going to have, when we get through it, we're going to have a total of, if you go back, what I just counted, 11 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So it's going to be 1, and then all those other values, numbers to the right, they're going to have a value of 0. So it's 1 times 1 times 100 billion. There are no millions. Then we've got the 6's in the 100,000. 6 times 100,000. Plus 20 is in the 10,000s. So 2 times 10,000. Sometimes I get to talking and I want to go back and make sure. I see a mistake, and I'm so sorry. I have skipped over the 20 billion. See, I told y'all I get to talking too much. So let me go back. Okay, the 2 is in the 10 billion, so it's going to be 2 times 10 billion. Count those zeros. Plus 8 times 1 billion. A 1 and 9 zeros. Plus, now I get back to my 6 in the 100,000s. Plus 2 in the 10,000s. Plus 9 is in the 10s. Now let me go back. I have 1 times a billion, 100 billion, 2 times 10 billion, 8 times 1 billion, 6 times 100,000, 2 times 10,000, and 9 times 10. Hope you have a great day.